Alright, y'all, about to do this review. I got the LED barn light I'm going to do a review on. This is the Ledmo LED barn light I'm doing a review on. I got it on Amazon. I got it for around $100, and I'm going to put it up on a pole, and let's take a look at it and see what it looks like. That's the light. All the hardware stuff that comes along with it, right? Different stuff. I never installed a barn light before, so it's actually freaking huge. I'm trying to get this up here and see what happens, see what it's like, see what's going on here. But this is what it is. I don't know anything about a barn light. I'm just trying to figure it out. Supposedly it already had the brackets up there, so I'll try and get it. Installed here. Alright, so I got basically the light put together here. This is the light. I don't know if y'all can see that, but you have to put this piece here. This is the sensor, and you just screw this sensor in and turn it, and put that on the light, and then you gotta put this on right here, this bolt, and then they got a little Allen key that goes up there, and then after you do that, you just put this piece here. If you don't want to use the extender, the bar here, then just mount it right here to the pole, and that'll be it. But if you want to extend it out, I bought this one because it has the bar that goes to it, and you can have the bar sit out a little ways as far as you want it. and then that sits out pretty good. It's pretty heavy duty light. Yeah, pretty heavy duty light there. But I'll mount it up, and you got these 3 wires here, and those wires are for your power: ground, common, neutral. And then you got one last thing. You got this bracket here that goes on the pole that you're gonna mount it to. And you tighten that up and put these 3 Allen screws in. So that's pretty much it. The rest of the time will be, and this is a pretty big light. See how big this box is? It pretty much takes up the whole space in this box. And the rest of the time will be just mounting the pole, the conduit to the pole, and trying to figure that part out. What we've done is I've glued this together, extended this conduit right here, and now I'll take these braces here and go ahead and put these braces on this conduit and go from there. Alright, so now I guess we'll be somewhere along here and try to get it to go on this side. I don't want to go on that side because of the well, it's got these here, and I really don't want to be underneath messing around on that side with them wires there. So I'd rather try to get it to go on this side if I can and run it over there. So we'll see. I don't know exactly where it'll go at, but we'll try to adjust it accordingly. Lift it up, bring it down, whatever we gotta do to make it work. I'll just put it anywhere along here and you know, try to make it work. That's all I can do. Try to make it work. Okay.
If it's true, one day delivery. I ordered it by a certain time.
There you go.
I don't know if it's coming. You're not worried about a little bit of snakes over here?
I'm not worried about those snakes. Huh?
How come you got a spark?
Spark what?
It's like that.
No, because something broke off. I didn't want it to break off. No, I ain't got no spark. If I had a spark, I wouldn't be here. He'd be saying that, you know, he was a good guy. He did the best he could.
How come you got a spark?
This a little shorter though. Yeah, shoot. All right. Okay. Had to change position. Can you pull that wire out of that? Could you come around me carefully and pull that wire down through that box? Can you pull me some wire? Come on around. Pull, yeah, the box. Pull the wire. Just, I got it tangled. Just pull it down. Pull it out of there. Yeah, pull it out. That's, yeah. That's good. Okay. There we go. Should keep the moisture up out of there. Should be good to go on that. Alright, that's all I wanted to do up there. Hood Handyman. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Share this video. It's Grind Time Media. I'm out.